Hi, I'm Ashley Gage, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to download Sublime Text. So first, let's go to our browser and type in sublimetext.com. Now we're going to click on Download. Once we get to this page, we see that there are a lot of options. I'm going to be downloading OS X, but you could download Windows, Windows 64-bit, or Linux, depending on what your machine is running on. Once your file is finished loading, double-click. When you see this screen, you're going to drag the Sublime Text icon onto the applications. Now it's going to ask you to authenticate. Enter your username and password, then click OK. Now if you click on your Applications folder and scroll down to S, you can see that we now have Sublime Text 3 in our folder. Double-click that file to open it. It is safe to open, so go ahead and click Open. Here it is. You've downloaded Sublime Text. Congratulations! You can also open Sublime Text by clicking on Launchpad and double-clicking the Sublime Text icon. For more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, see you next time!